The two men accused of slaying a goat on Kauai in April were arraigned in a courtroom on the Garden Isle today. Owners of the dairy farm that owned the goat say the killing was an act of violence and viciousness that should not go without punishment. As KITV4's Jody Leong tells us, one defendant blamed the other after the court proceedings today.
Kunana Dairy in Kilauea found one of its prize goats slaughtered 2 months ago, and the family that owns the small business wants justice. Russell Ho'omanawanui and Ryan Winchell, both 29, are accused of shooting to death a 4-year-old pregnant goat and her 2 unborn kids on a maternity field a mile away from the main dairy farm. The 2 men went before a judge on Kauai today, where they pled not guilty.
The amount of hurt and hardship that has been placed on my family, we should have some justice.
But it has come down to a case of finger-pointing. After the hearing, Ho'omanawanui said he didn't do it.
Ryan Winchell did kill that goat. I stepped to the Wootens family, went to their house, told them who killed their goat. I know the truth. I mean, he didn't step forward to the family, so.
Winchell's attorney, Michael Green, admits his client was with Ho'omanawanui, but says Winchell is not the killer.
It certainly was not my client. But had the police continued their investigation, they would have found the goat hanging in the other guy's garage next to his lawnmower. So, I mean, they just didn't go far enough.
Kunana Dairy co-owner Louisa Wooten confirms Ho'omanawanui's visit and the confession that he was involved. Ho'omanawanui and Winchell are each charged with criminal property damage, second-degree theft, theft of livestock, and animal cruelty.
You don't have an animal that's running all around after being shot, bleeding all over the place, and that's not anything but cruel and horrific, and anyone that does that needs to be accountable.
Jody Leong, KITV4 News.